Hello friends. Samsung Galaxy A03s is the budget phone that Samsung has given us in extremely low price segment. In this video, we are going to discuss this phone, its strengths and weaknesses. We will also talk about the alternatives we have in this price range. So let's open this phone now, but before that, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. For Rs 21,200 in Pakistan, you get 3GB variant, and for 22,500 a 4GB 64GB variant is available. A03s is an upgrade from A02s that Samsung stopped providing recently, but Samsung has kept most of the specs similar. There are two basic changes though. One is the chipset, that is Helio P35 this time. It's a 12nm process based chip, and secondly, there is a fingerprint scanner present on the right side. Well, before setting up the phone, let's take a look at the design. It's a normal looking plastic body, nothing flashy. A good thing could be it won't get smudges easily. Samsung hasn't provided the protective cover in the box, and I think this plastic body does not ask for one. It's a matte finish and there is a fine texture on it that is not easily noticeable in dull light. Here on top you get the triple camera setup. The main sensor is 13 megapixel, whereas the rest of the two lenses are 2 megapixel for bokeh and 2 megapixel for macro. For selfies, there is a 5 megapixel camera on the front. The fingerprint scanner I think is rightly placed and easily accessible, but the volume key I think is way too above for smaller hands. You can put 2 nano SIMs inside and the SD card as well. You will definitely need it as the internal ROM is only 32GB. So we are getting a large 6.5 inches display of 720 into 1600 pixel resolution, and swiping left and right can show a little lag at this stage. The brightness level seems alright at some 70% indoor, but I think with this kind of screen the outdoor will be a little difficult. Inside the phone you get Android 11 and One UI 3.1, and everything looks usual and simple to me. While talking about the Helio P35, it's an older chipset from 2018, so you can't expect a huge optimization on this phone. I think you can expect a usual lag whenever you will put a load on it. For example, gaming, lots of WhatsApp texting, Facebook, social media, etc. The sound level from single firing speaker at the bottom is not extraordinary. The bass level is very low through the speaker as well as the earphones. Although there is a sound setting inside, but it doesn't do the job very noticeably. I used this phone for a while, and in 30 minutes of using social media, it drained some 12% battery. So I really doubt the optimum battery backup from this 5000 mAh battery. Well, as I mentioned, we get a 13 megapixel camera on the rear. Let's take some pictures and shoot some videos to see the performance. Samsung Galaxy A03s belongs to a price segment that is very happening and volatile. Well, if you're not bothered about the Samsung tag particularly, you can get many other alternatives in this price tags like these. What is your opinion about this phone and its price? Do let me know in the comment area. And until my next video, Allah Hafiz. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon.